Dear students, today I am explaining class 9th geography, chapter 1, the earth as a planet. We use the term universe for everything that exists in space. The universe has number of galaxies. The group of stars in the sky is what? Galaxy. Each galaxy in the universe has number of stars. We can see about 6,000 stars from Earth at a time, and they all belong to a galaxy called Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Then now you see that what the term universe we want. Next topic is what solar system. Solar family stays together due to the gravitational pull of the sun, and the sun is the main source of heat and light, and the sun rays take about 6 minutes and 30 seconds to reach the Earth's surface. The main members of the solar system are sun, planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, meteors, etc. The Earth rotates on its axis and revolves around the sun in a fixed path that we called what is a orbit. And we can say there are some the planets are inner planet and outer planets are inner planets. We can say what is the Mars, Venus, Earth, Mercury. Outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Then now we can see what the next main topic is what the Earth is a unique planet. Why we called that Earth is a unique planet? There are a number of reasons that was Earth we called a unique planet. The first one is what the Earth lies between the Venus and Mars. That the average distance of about 148 million kilometers that is away from the sun. Then and that is the optimum distance from there. That is what that is not too near or not too far. That was the optimal distance from there. So that was the Earth is what that unique planet we can see here. It's what neither too hot or neither too cold. And second point we can say that the Earth having a land, water and air. Because of these three narrows that exist in Earth, that wise Earth is a unique planet. And next one we can say the presence of atmosphere. Means the atmosphere presence there, so it consists of about nitrogen, oxygen and other that gases are there. Because of that the Earth is a unique planet. Then next fourth one, it acts as a shield. What is that act as a shield? That means you can say what it protect the ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun that will not reach on the Earth's surface because of the atmosphere. So that wise also we can say Earth is a unique planet. And the next point we can say the favorable environmental condition, that is due to the favorable living condition. Means all the living condition exist in where in the Earth. That was Earth is a unique planet. And also we can say due to the rotation of the Earth, the part of the Earth that facing the sun that gains the heat and the part that away from the sun loses the heat due to the terrestrial radiations. So these are the points we can say that the Earth is a unique planet. And next point we can say about the shape of the Earth is what is spherical in shape. Then why it is what is spherical in shape? There are many evidence that or proof that we can say that the Earth is spherical in shape. First one we can say that the sunrise and sunset means because of the sunrise and sunset that all the places in the world having different time in a sunrise and sunset. If the Earth is what flat in shape, that the time is what same time coming. The Earth is what spherical in shape, that why the time is what different coming in the sunrise and sunset. And the next point we can say about the all that heavenly bodies having what spherical in shape. That was the Earth also having what spherical in shape. And we can say what if you take that photographs from the what satellites, we can see what the Earth having in the spherical in shape. And also we can say that circumnavigation. What is circumnavigation? That means if we start in one point that we can if we journey started we can reach in the same point there. If it the Earth is a flat, one point we started we will end in what another end that point. That wise we can say the Earth is what spherical in shape. And also we can say what if it's what the ship coming from the that seas, that if the earth is flat, then we can see the full picture of the ship. If the earth is what spherical in shape, we can see the front part of the that ship and middle part. When it's coming nearer, it is middle part, and also when it's coming on nearer, that we can see that full picture of the ship. So there are many points given. The shape of the earth is what spherical in shape. So you can learn any 4 or 5 points for what